here it is. We got a CyberTruck, cleaned it up. It's getting wrapped. This is actually the voice actor for Vegeta and Piccolo. If you guys watch the Dragon Ball Z series, this is the owner of that. And yeah, this thing is pretty damn dope. So we're gonna take a look on the inside. It's the interior. Got the big screen. It's cool. You got the CyberTruck on there. Oh, you can adjust the ride height, huh?
Yeah.
It's pretty dope. It looks like y'all have it lowered right now. Yeah, lowered. That's pretty dope. Got the big roof. Ah, that mirror. It's so tiny. Yeah, this thing's dope. Oh, I do like this too.
Looks like it's pointless whenever the cover's on. You can't even see. That shot right there, right next to the gas pedal, there's like a little storage thing right there. Elon's like, I want some mini.
That's your door buttons. The Cyberpunk logos. The cup holders are in the shape of what? Octagon or something. You got your phone holders. I think those are wireless phone chargers too. I mean, it's electric, so drive, park, reverse. I believe it's all right there. Top, got your hazard lights button. This is like Alcantara material. You got ambient lighting in the doors. It's like a green right now, which is cool. Perforated leather seats. Got that light bar, that's your tail light. You got cameras all over it. Yeah, this thing's dope. One thing I was telling Tran, I was like, it's ugly, but it's cool. It has a cool factor to it. It's an ugly truck, but it's a shape. That's what it is. I think the bed cover goes all the way up if you need to. Got ambient lighting in the bed. Yeah, that's dope. Bed size is actually pretty good. Yeah, this is cool. Then you can just integrate it into the bed, which is dope as hell. There we go. This is like the biggest windshield wiper I've ever seen. This thing is probably at least like 4 feet long, like a 4 foot long windshield wiper. But the windshield itself is at least like 5 feet wide. This thing is insane. The lights aren't flickering, it's just the camera, the frames per second. It's a solid light over here. This thing is definitely a unit. It's definitely a unit. It's like a UFO. Yeah, it's called Herd the Nerd. Yeah, that's me.
Awesome.
Yep. Let me try this thing one more time.
Yeah. It man, once it clicks, it clicks. It's so addicting. You want to just get better at it because it feels like it's connected to your mind, right?
Right.
Because you don't have a remote or anything. It's really just you look where you want to go.
See, it's already kind of like second nature. For
yeah,
me.
I'm not holding on to you as much as I would normally be holding on to people.
And then if I want to stop,
see,
it's kind of like second. Yeah. You wanna try that thing?
I mean, I don't want to hurt myself. I mean, I have a scooter, you know, and I go like that. It only goes like 30, I think.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
That's about enough for me, but I definitely appreciate the.
Yeah, no problem, man.
That's a little bit out of my price range. But,
nah, that's cool, man. Y'all are super cool people.
Don't
they got the Hoosiers on there, slick.
Yeah, Hoosiers. Yeah, there's Burrs, like all kinds of, especially these ones have like a 6-inch diameter, so it's just uses a standard go-kart tire.
Ah, that's what it looks like,
You can use any go-kart company, or there's companies that make tires specifically for one-wheels now.
And then y'all have like a website, y'all get those different grips and stuff from too?
Yeah, there's it's actually a place in Texas, in Louisville, that makes this, the hex pattern.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's like companies all over that started making like third-party products
accessories and stuff.
Like, yeah, like you know, this has a custom hub on it. So like this gold hub is different,
Ah.
these rails are different. This doesn't usually come on there, but pretty much everyone's gonna have the rim savers
The rim
because it protects
savers,
the
yeah.
rim for you. All of these are aftermarket tires. I think we all actually almost have the same treaded tire because this is kind of regarded
Yeah.
as the best one. You can change the actual foot pad and the grip, the bumper.
Damn.
Pretty much every like this doesn't look like stock. None of ours look like stock.
Nah, not at all. I could tell,
you
yeah.
can pick your own colors and do all kinds of stuff.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that was there's literally a whole plank missing. Whew! That could have been bad. Well, alright, we're back up here at the shop. We got our lip kit in for the TTRS. Gonna try to get this thing installed. It is in a couple pieces, so I gotta figure out how to rearrange these things and then get it installed on the car. I'm assuming it's gonna be something like that. Yeah, that shit look dope. All right, so pretty much the lip snaps together. These tabs right here. I'm gonna pop them together like that. They do come with these bracket extensions, but yeah, I'm not drilling in my bumper for that. I'm not using that. Then you get your screw hardware to put the lip together basically, and then screw the lip to the car. Got the lip installed. Need any exhaust work, stuff like that, come to the new shop. We're starting on the TTRS. The small things, we got the lip, and then we're gonna be doing the IE downpipe, which already came in, and then get this thing sounding good. But right now, yeah, that lip looks pretty good. Can't beat that for $100. Just the little stuff like that changes the whole car. So now I'm going to be looking for the side skirts and rear diffuser so we can kind of finish off the accents. I do got some more stuff like some carbon fiber fins that's going to go on the front bumper to add to the aggression of it. Little stuff like that. But yeah, thank you. Appreciate y'all swinging by the channel. Stay tuned. We got the downpipe installed next, so we're going to be opening this thing up, making it a lot louder than what it is right now. So definitely stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and peace out.